Hello guys, this is TianChad here. So I've just updated my phone S20 Ultra to the latest OS, which is with the May 2020 update. So right now, as you can see, there should be any improvement to the camera. Right now I'm zooming far, and now I try to place my hand to the center, focus, and then focus far away, foreground, background. As you can see, the transition is always sharp. And then remember, if you want to have things in front of your camera to be in focus, make sure that you place your subject somewhere right here in this box here, because that's where your phone strategically try to focus the things in front. And one more thing, the new features that added to your S20 Ultra is the close-up features. I'm not sure whether they got show up or not. Sometimes it will auto show up and sometimes they don't. So let's try. Maybe shooting something far and then go to something near. Yes, as you can see, the bottom right, sometimes it appears. Use close-up zoom, just tap on the button and tada, it actually become like 2 times zoom. If I'm check correctly, it somehow like give you that the kind of macro shot, but actually it's using the huge 108 megapixel photo sensor to capture your photo. So actually it become like 2 times. Let's try to zoom out a bit. Yes, you can see it's actually 2 times. So I guess it's a kind of like shortcut for you to just quickly switch to 2 times. Let's try with another wedgie here. Okay, you can see the bottom right, there's a use close-up zoom. Ta-da! And it asked me to move a bit further away. So I guess that's how to use a close-up zoom. And what to my face? Is it in focus or not? Yeah, I think it's in focus. All good. If I block my face, what will happen? Okay, let's try. Focus my face and focus at the back. And one more time, focus on my face. Hi, this is TianChad here. And one more time. So does it works? So I'm happy that they already updated the firmware, and apparently the camera already got improved. I do hope that the S20 camera will continue to improve, so that when the upcoming Note 20 will be very good and even better with their bigger lens and bigger focus and all those bokeh thing. Anyway, do check out my other video sharing about our S20 Ultra recording in HDR10+ mode and also the 8K video. So this is TianChad here signing off, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.